Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the area under the curve. So now I will show you how to answer. So now we need to graph about this one. The graph of y equals to negative x squared plus x. They should be like this. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. So we have number 0 and number 1 in here. So we just put about the integration equals to, that's it, from 0 to number 1. We see that this one is about positive area, so we don't need to have the negative sign in here. And we put this function goal here. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we calculate about this one, and we have 1 over 6, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.